Manufacturing and production technology of light magnesium oxide ball pressing mechanism. Light magnesium oxide ball press is composed of 3 parts. 1. Feeding part, mainly to achieve quantitative feeding to ensure that the material evenly into the roller. 2. The main transmission system for the motor triangle belt reducer, open gear roll. 3. Forming part, the main host part of the ball pressing machine, and the core part is the roll. Production technology of light magnesium oxide ball press. Light magnesium oxide powder after screening. Less than 3 mm powder into the light magnesium oxide ball press. Ball size of 35 mm, 25 mm, 15 mm length, width, thickness can also be customized according to customer requirements. The bulk density of ball, fall strength, and block light magnesium oxide equivalent. After pressing the ball through screening, qualified ball into the finished product warehouse for smelting use.